In the weekly analysis for gold and silver, we were talking about a potential breakout and we are expecting it to give a bullish breakout. What a wonderful move it has given. Both gold and silver have given yesterday. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect today, which position we should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. So do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can keep yourself updated with the latest updates. Now remember one more point I would like to caution you all. I don't run any service besides training and signals. There are only two services, training and signals. Signals is where I give you the trades, where to buy, where to sell, and training is where I educate you to become an independent trader. Besides these, those who are promising or promising on my name, imposing at Ankit Jain as Ankit Jain and giving you fake promises of fake returns, your $100 investment, $1,000 return, bullshit. Anyone who can give you 10x 20x return in few days will not ask your money for investment. They will invest their own money and will get the multifold return. Please remember this fact. Please don't get trapped. This is my humble request. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. And if you look at gold here, on the hourly charts you will find there is a big volume gap. You can see there is a sharp rise on the hourly charts after consolidating here. See how it is moved on the hourly charts. Drop, really, consolidation for hours, then a breakout. So it is clearly indicating that it is still bullish. Now see there is a resistance at 1718 which we talked about in our weekly analysis too. Now beyond 1718 certainly it can show you further strength. At the same time, look at this, it is getting the support at 1708. For this $10 between 1718 and 1708, do not trade, do not take any entry between for this $10 below 1708. You can expect that we might look at 1702, 1698, and if it drops below 1698, probably there is a chance that it may try to complete this or try to fill this. You can say price action. As per price action, there could be a volume gap here and hence it may try to come up till towards 1680, but then you have to be cautious as the retracement, even if it is bullish, the retracement could be in this channel which may try to bring it till towards 1685 levels, which is definitely a very good support. So yes, you can sell there at 1708. Expect the first target to be 1702, 1698, 1691 and 1685 80 zone. Maximum support it will get there. So there is a probability for it to happen. Hence take your trades accordingly. Above 1718 you can buy. Do not remain short above 1718. Above 1718 the target is towards 1724. 1728, 1731 and 1735. Beyond that it is going to fly high. So this is first part to it. Let's have a further look. Directional movement diverging and bullish. Stochastic has hit a bottom trying to reverse or rise from here. The MACD has seen a high. Probably it may converge crossover and look for a sell. See what has happened here can happen here too. Hence you have to remain cautious. The RSI is overbought here. Likewise on the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation here. Charts are also similar. Likewise, if you see, if you just connect the dots, you will find that it is trying to trade in this channel. Look at the highs and the lows. The probability is there that it can try to hit 1685-80 zone. If it reverses and trades with a drop, directional movement is bullish trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought looking downwards. The MACD is extremely bullish here. It may try to converge and cross over for a sell. Likewise, RSI is overbought too. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts too. Similar is the observation on the directional movement. Only the stochastic is still overbought here and hence probably a little cooling can be expected. Look at the MACD. This is also at the extremes, probability of it to converge crossover exists. RSI is overbought. Likewise on the 4-hour charts. So now importantly on the 4-hour charts, one more observation, lower highs here. And if you see lower highs means they, in fact 1715 will be difficult for gold to pass by. Possibly the next candle when it begins it may give it further red candle, but then if it breaks past 1715 itself, that should be a bullish confirmation. Remember this fact. Now direction movement bullish, stochastic is overbought. And if you look at the MACD, this is at extremes, probably it may start to converge from here and RSI is overbought. Likewise on the daily charts, now look at the daily chart. See, it is trading above the 20, 50 and 100 period moving average indicating bullish momentum here. And you can see the 20 and 50 period moving average are looking forward to converge crossover. Probably that will be an indication that gold is entering into a bullish zone. Look at the daily chart. See, one bullish candle, couple of retracement, second bullish candle, probably couple of retracement, and then the third bullish candle can appear. It is trying to trade in this bullish channel. But if you look at this, see, there is a shortfall on the highs here, so it is tapering here, indicating that the bullish momentum is there, but it has lost its scene, and probably once it trades above 17-18 levels, it may try to show you little strength. Till the time, there is a possibility that it can try to retrace a little for next couple of days. Now 1700, 1698 should be a very good support, and then below that 1680, 1685 levels are going to remain a very good support. Directional movement extremely bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is at the highs. Also look at the MACD, it has seen the peak here, and probably the next candle, if it shows you an extreme peak, I think it is going to be difficult for gold. Probably it may try to now consolidate and converge from here. Hence, considering this, sell at gold today at 1708, 1702, 1698, 1691. 1685, 1680, 1680, 85 zone is going to remain the maximum support zone now for gold. Remember, these were the levels I had asked you to buy. Now these are the levels which are going to remain the strongest support for gold. It can retrace till there, but again, that should be a good opportunity for you to buy. Now on the upside, buy at 1718, expect 1724, 1728, 31. These 28, 31 zone is going to be the stronger resistance, and then 35. Beyond that, again, gold will fly high. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, trading as per, or you want to just trade as per the signals, either you can join my mentorship batch. The 17th batch is now going to start on 28th of November. Mark the date. You can reach out to me for more details. At the same time, you can join my signals group anytime. Trading as per the signals, you will definitely benefit. Now look at the daily charts for silver, and you will find on, before we proceed to the daily charts, let's have a look at the hourly charts. Likewise, what we saw on gold, we can see the similar formation on silver, but bullish breakout beyond 2100. I told you, beyond 2100, certainly it is going to fly. In fact, it has achieved 2160 levels. Now look at this here. See, 2130 providing it a support, but I will only recommend you to sell at 2120 levels, which is a very good support. Only sell below 2120. You can expect it to drop from there. Also look at this, it is giving you lower highs, and hence any breakout above this zone at 2150, certainly you can expect 2160 first and stronger resistance. Beyond that, certainly it is going to fly high. In fact, you can sell at 2125 and buy at 2150. In between this 25 cents, you should stay cautious. In and below 2125, there is a support at 2120, and hence only you will get 5 cents there, but below 2120 certainly more bearishness to be expected. You have to be cautious till 2120, and above 2150 you will get 10 cents there till 2160. Beyond that, it is going to fly high. Directional movement, bullish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is on the verge of a sell crossover. RSI trading near to the highs, and if you look at the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation. 2100 is the maximum support for the day. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking downwards. MACD is also looking forward to a bearish cross. RSI trading near to overbought levels. Similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts, but it is also extremely bullish here. It can converge crossover. Stochastic trading near to the highs. MACD in green and RSI trading overbought. Likewise, similar formation on the 4-hour chart, but it is more consolidating in nature. Remember, the directional movement has seen the extreme bullishness here. Probably a conversion from here can be expected, and hence a little drop cannot be denied. A stochastic overbought. The MACD has also seen the highs. Probably it may converge crossover for a sell. RSI also trading near to the highs. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, first thing, look at this. Higher lows are seen. Second, higher highs are seen. The highs of this channel are now at 2180, and the lows of this channel are at 2080 levels. So for this $1, you have to trade with caution. Yes, you can buy about 2150 and then expect 2160, 2175, 2180. Beyond that, 2200 is the target. On the downside, below 25 you can sell, but 2020 first target, 2200 2100 first target, and below 2100 you can expect a little more drop. So sell at 2120 and buy at 2150 levels. 2125 and 2150 levels. Trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. On the downside for silver, 2080 2060 zone is the maximum support zone, breaking below which you can expect a stronger drop. Mark these levels: 2880 and 2060 levels. 2080 2060 are definitely going to provide a very strong support. On the upside, above 2160 you can expect a further bullish move, and 2200 2180 levels are going to be the maximum resistance zone. Trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.